Hey everyone, welcome back to Taste in a Flash, your spot for bold, fast, and flavorful dishes. Today, we're traveling to the Caribbean with a dish that's all about color, spice, and creamy comfort. That's right, Jamaican Rasta Pasta. Let's get cooking. So every great meal needs a strong foundation, and for this one, it's pasta. I'm using penne today, but feel free to grab your favorite, fettuccine, rigatoni, whatever you like. Boil it in plenty of salted water. You want it al dente, which means cooked just enough to be tender but still with a slight bite. This texture will hold up perfectly when it meets our creamy, spicy sauce later. Once your pasta is ready, drain it and set it aside. Try not to eat it all right now, though. Next up, protein. I love using chicken breast or shrimp for this dish, but if you're vegetarian, don't worry. The veggies bring plenty of flavor. For the protein, coat it generously in jerk seasoning. This is where the magic begins. Jerk seasoning is a bold blend of spices like allspice, thyme, garlic, and a good kick of heat that gives the dish its authentic Jamaican vibe. Heat some olive oil in a pan and sauté the chicken or shrimp until it's golden and cooked through, juicy and packed with flavor. The aroma alone will have your mouth watering. Now let's bring in the veggies: red, yellow, and green bell peppers, sliced onion, and minced garlic. Toss them into the pan with the leftover juices from the protein. The peppers add beautiful colors and sweetness. The onions soften and bring depth. And the garlic, well, it just makes everything irresistible. Sauté everything together until the veggies are tender but still have a little crunch. You want that texture to contrast with the creamy sauce coming next. Pour in a cup of creamy coconut milk. This ingredient is what makes this pasta unique. Rich and smooth, a dash of smoked paprika for some smoky depth, and salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good stir and let it simmer gently. As it thickens, the spices bloom and fill your kitchen with a warm, inviting aroma. This sauce, it's the soul of the dish. Spicy, creamy, and full of island flavor. Now it's time for the grand finale. Add your cooked pasta back into the pan with the sauce and veggies. Toss everything together so each piece of pasta is luxuriously coated in that creamy, spicy goodness. If you cooked chicken or shrimp, add it back now and mix it in. Finish with a handful of fresh scallions or cilantro for a bright, fresh pop of flavor. And don't forget a squeeze of lime juice. It adds that perfect zing that lifts the whole dish. Take a bite. Creamy, spicy, tangy. Every mouthful is a celebration of flavors and colors. This isn't just pasta. It's a trip to the Caribbean on your plate. So try this at home and tag us to show off your version. Are you team shrimp, chicken, or all veggie? Comment below, like the video if you're feeling that island vibe, and hit follow on Taste in a Flash for more quick, bold recipes that bring the world to your kitchen. Thanks for cooking with me. Until next time, keep your meals spicy and your spirits high.